Currently, there I am working for that 11 months. It has been completed now. So I am in the project ACCS, Advanced Composite Communication System. So I am in DNE. So we are responsible for designing that units in the Visio software and making of the wire list, part list, everything. And I have knowledge of that EMC testings also. And before this, I have the experience in PCB designing. So I have the knowledge of designing in 1 layer, 2 layer boards. So and sir, embedded, like in the previous company, I used to work in Arduino. So circuits was there. We used to do the coding and all for that. So for that I have some basic knowledge for that. Yes sir, I am a training engineer. Imbel Technology, sir, it was in Pune. After Imbel Technology, I joined as a training engineer in Bell Bangalore. Sorry sir. In Imbel Technology, I was in there. I was doing the PCB designing, so I have the knowledge for that, designing of the Arduino boards, small circuits. There we used to do that thing in Imbel Technology, Pune. Sorry, sir. Based on programming, sir, I have the basic, for the coding we require the C programming. So for that basics, some of the basics I know about that. No sir, VHDL programming, I don't have idea about that VHDL, because sir, that VHDL will come in that VLSI part. So we were not dealing with that VHDL. Sir, controllers are there now. So for that controllers, some of the codings will be required. For that we used to do, like NRF 9160. So some of the codings in the C programming only, not VHDL. Sir, microprocessor and microcontroller. In a microprocessor, everything will be in the different. We can take an example of computer. Like in computer, there is monitor is there, mouse is there, CPU is there. Everything is different. But in a microcontroller, everything will be in a single chip. So in everything is assembled in a single chip. So that we call it as a microcontroller. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm not able to hear you. Architecture, yes sir. Architecture, it will be the layouts which for the controller it is now. So it will be how it will be done for that, architecture is being made. System risk. Okay. CISC and RISC you are saying. Sorry sir. Can you sir please? No sir, actually voice is not little bit clear, that's why. RTOS, okay. That is like a sir, operating system type, RTOS. What sir? Sorry, sir, I'm not able to hear clearly. No, sir, clear. I have not heard. Can you please repeat it, sir? Universal gates. Okay. NAND gate is the universal gate. NAND and NOR. Sir, because they are called the universal gate because with the help of that gate we can make all other gates. That's why, like NAND is the combination of NOT and AND. So that's why with the help of that universal gate we can do other algebraic expression, like it is used everywhere. That's why. FPGA. Okay. FPGA. Sir, presently we are working. Like DNE, so we are working for that project only. Sir, I'm in ACCS now, sir. So for that they are working on the units. So like different units. So for that for that keypad is there. For that we will do some designing in that Visio software, like line diagrams that is been made with that. Like little designing is involved in that thing. So with the help of line diagram, like if the line diagram is given to us, so with the help of line diagram we used to make the wire list for that. Like for this unit, this is the line diagram. No, so like line diagram is there. So with the help of that, the DNE is responsible. No, sir. Visio software is for like design. Like we are designing for some rack, na sir. For some rack, some like something we need to design for that keypad and all 5 antennas or something like that. So for that visualization, we use that Visio software. SAP we can use for documentation or for uploading the wire list, like that. So Visio software, we can use that Visio software for designing. Like AutoCAD is there, similar to that only. It is like AutoCAD, it will be little different, but Visio and AutoCAD, it will be like both can be used for designs. Like AutoCAD is used for the mechanical people, use the AutoCAD for designing and all. Yes, sir. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Sir, yeah, I have done a PCB in Imbel Technology. Yes, sir. This is the what sir you said? Oh sir, पुणे में है sir. हाँ sir. Sir, actually I belongs to Jharkhand, Ranchi. My hometown is Ranchi, and I have completed my BTech in Jamshedpur, RVS College, Jamshedpur, and after that I was working in Pune, Imbel Technology, and after that when I selected for Bell Bangalore, so I went to Bangalore. So currently I am in Bangalore. Now I have came to my hometown. सर CCL में मैं अप्रेंटिस ट्रेनिंग कर रही थी, तो 3 months मैंने वहाँ पर CCL में ट्रेनिंग किया था अप्रेंटिस का. तो फिर सर CCL रांची में ही है. हाँ सर. हाँ सर, बेल बैंगलोर. सर नेवल सिस्टम NS1.